Hi friends, welcome to our channel Aravilm. In this video, we'll learn how to create this stunning PowerPoint presentation using carousel effect. Step 1. Create the title slide. Insert main logo and team logos. Align them properly using Distribute Horizontally option. Step 2. Add team slides. Align the logos in left side of the slide. Place the first logo in the center of the slide and insert the team captain photo and add effects. Step 3. Repeat the step 2 for other teams. Add team logos and team captains. Step 4. Change background color for all the slides. Add one more rectangle and change its color to set the background for the team logos. Change background color and add gradient effect for the team captains. Repeat the steps for all the slides. Step 5. Add actions to the team logos. Go to the first slide, select a team logo, go to Insert menu, and select Action. Select mouse over tab, select the slide to be changed. Repeat the same steps for all the other logos. Go to second slide, select a team logo, and add action. Repeat the same steps for all the other logos. Step 6. Add Morph Transition. Select all the slides. Add Morph Transitions to the slides. Now run the slide and enjoy the presentation. Hope you like this video and helpful to you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share. Do not forget to subscribe. See you soon.